wanna play me DJ, I wanna rap it. Play my blood clot DJ, come and shut up selector boy.
What's good, YouTube gang? It's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another banger, you know, people. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia. We there with that new artist. Yeah, man, the one that look like him straight out of the 7 camp. You don't know, yeah, man. And yo, you don't know, yeah, man. And we're gonna check him out on Sway Dog. I deal with. I'm not too familiar with this 7 artists. I know we listen to Plumpy Bass, Castella, Jaja, you know, and many more. Yes, you feel me? But yeah, we haven't listened to this artist as yes. This gonna be my first track, I believe. Listening to this artist. I'm gonna check them out and see what I'm gonna deal with today. And if you don't know by the time we're talking about Kratos 7 and the one I entitled No Mercy. Apparently he dropped this track like a couple of days ago. Yeah, man. And from the name Kratos 7, I'm assuming he's out of the 7 camp. You know what I'm saying, gang? Let me know in the comment section what y'all think about him, where Kratos from, how long he's been doing music, want music to react to, all that good stuff. And we definitely check it out. But yeah, he's new to the channel. We're not gonna go vibe much time. We're gonna jump right in track. Then we're gonna chop it up at the end. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm interested to see what Kratos 7 is up to. And also, damn off your time. Code up. Do the right thing. Code is life, man. You already know what to do. If you're new to the channel and you don't know what the code is, over here we live by a code. If you're watching a video, you like a video. And if you're new, you subscribe. So go ahead, hit the like and subscribe, and become part of the family, man. You already know, and do the right thing, because code is life. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. So we're going to jump right now track. This is Kratos 7, No Mercy. And from the title, you can't tell us some bad man thing, but we're interested. You see me? Kratos 7, No Mercy. Let's get it.
Is your favorite dog?
I don't know, it's a problem, you know, when you see man on the ends I play domino and them thing there. You're supposed to know what's the problem I will start it, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Come on, let's get it. Yeah, man, make a step.
Let's go to your outside. Come from man.
Go on, that's a gang. Go on, that's a gang. Okay, come on, don't go make step on the ends and crush it, bro. Come like your daddy, man, crush it, brother. How dog go out there, so look like look old boy there. How you man do? Yeah, look like he's still got this and he lapsing, man. Come on, bro. What's going on, gang?
Bing bang. Studio in back.
Man said big bomb. Fly, man, I come bomb up ends, you know, dog. I dad man do wash the hand and that gun shot. Wash the hand and that gun now, so dog. I go on, come on.
So you can't fuck Prezi. Batty man. So you can't fuck Prezi. Why do them fool call K-man? We don't know them 6 love bear man. Stop hype up yourself, a little idiot. 7 fling stones, must believe that. But you walk it.
Whoa. So the dog say, yo, you can't fuck Prezi. I'll be a batty 196. Eh? How I go on? Hold on there. Somebody in the 6 I try F the boss. The Prezi. How I go on? I can't what he talking about. I think he talking about, bro. Come on, let's get it.
And you must be dreaming, like you not see them laser lights beaming. Your little lotty life and no meaning. And this 7 buck them just bleed them. Say them run out to the key and told them could run back. Give them
you look a dirty life, nah, no meaning. Any 7 buck here, you're bleeding you. Come on.
Everything where she drag them back. Them claims say them boss kill show 6 not. Choke gas on them face, plumpy spark that match. Everything we arrange, doctor say can't patch.
Hold on. What skill are you talking about? What skill are you talking about, gang? What skill are you talking about right here, bro? Skilly bang? Let me know, gang. I'm just hearing shit. Let me know what you're talking about.
Give them everything where she drag them back. Them claims say them boss kill show 6 not. Choke gas on them face, plumpy spark that match. Everything.
The man said them bad skilly show say 6 not. Who Skilly Bang? Skilly Bang show the 6 then say them bad. How go on? Let me know, gang. Fill me in. I wanna know what the hell going on with my artist Skilly Bang. Come on, bro. When Skilly and the 6 have nothing. Let me know, gang. Let me know. Let me put me on, man. Put me on.
rearrange, doctor say can't patch. Skin peel off them body on the ground lay flat. 7 walk over them cause them fool is mad. One king to the world and that is that. Cause this is not no kids lead, this a big lead. Look a storybook bet your boss can read. Can't straight, can't drive,
this are no kids meal, this a big league. Find a kids book better so they can't read. Hey, blood clean, come on. You know what time the clock a strike a blood clean now.
The fucker will bleed. How much girl you have yet sell none can breed? How much girl you have yet sell none can breed? Stop itch up on the man when you can't plant seed.
Dog, we man a chat, dog. We man a chat. The man say, yo, how so much girl and none can breed? How so much girl and none can breed? Stop itch up on the man and you can't plant seed. No. Eh? So basically right here insinuating, yo bro, one or two things. You claim say I have be a girl and none of them can breed. So one of two things. Either you're lying, my G. You see me and say you can't hurt. So you lie but you have be a girl and thing, you see me and you have fish out here. Or dog, you not do what you do with the girl them. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man. So big this dog. Who in the 7 dog attack specific? Let me know. In the 6. Let me know, gang. Put me on, man.
Please show no mercy, say we can thirsty. We not give them fucking nothing less than 30. In a real life, me know them cause them jokey. 1 or 2.
Man say gun them thirsty, we not give them nothing less than 30, you know. You see me? 23, I clip, you know, nothing less than that, they not get, you know. You see me, I have a little pie extend, you know. You see me? You not get nothing less than 30.
That's what them mention them, you know we. No, we don't know them. Fudge right the FL. Judas, we call them, they coulda never be friend. But from we born, so we never had to pretend. Them badness slow like the weekend. It not take nothing at all for we to drill them. 762.
The man Judas. The man afraid they not pretend, bro. Not take nothing at all for we drill them blood clot. Them boys still like the weekend. I'm to them, man. Come on.
I'm the tallest building. Why do them fool? Why do them little children? Bully baptize them and bullet them not listening. Hype them a see cause them feel is a kick sting. Send for the Grim Reapers up a St. Vincent. Boy run left place, head gone missing.
Send for the Green Reapers and St. Vincent. St. Vincent, big up on yourself. St. Vincent, stand up. Come on.
Who the hell them this say you can't fuck Percy? Why do them fool call K-man? We don't know them 6 love beer man. Stop pipe up yourself a little idiot. 7 fling stones, best believe that. But you walk catch did and you must be dreaming. Like you not see them
7 fling stone, no brother. No big stone or anything, and them stone days done, you know, brother. I fling shot in a boy head, you know, man. Come in now, man, 7 play Kratos. Come in.
Laser lights beaming. Your little natty life and no meaning. And the 7 bucking best bleeding. Bing bang, bang,
Bang.
Studio in pack.
Come in now, man. Dog do him thing, man. Blood clot. Kratos 7. You see me, that now fling no stone on here, my youth. You see me, anyway, the 7 was you don't know you're bleeding, man. Come on, come on.
Say you can't fuck Prezi. Batty man.
Easy, know. Studio Impact. Yeah, man. Kratos 7. Doing your thing. Yeah, man. Doing the thing, man. Big Bang. Doing your thing. Yeah, man. That was dope. I'm the first time listening to Kratos 7. He did his thing on the track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. I like that a lot. Let me know what y'all think in the comment section. Yo, who rate Kratos 7? Let me know in the comment section. Who rate him as an artist? How long you have been listening to him? How long he's been making music? Where exactly he's from? Where in Trinidad he's from? Let me know in the comment section, gang. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. Put me on, man. Yeah, let me know what else you want to hear from Kratos. You want to see interviews? You want to see other music videos, audio? Let me know in the comment section. I'll get that done. Yeah, man. It's a dope track. So I can send someone and show shots at the 6. Let me know who my talk and say, oh, you can't go crazy. Well, somebody put that in a track like them and say, you're 888 and then misspoke or something. Let me know in the comment section, gang. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, definitely sending some shots at the 6, sending some one shot, man. Anyone say, yo, we're not fling big stone in the dog. You know what I'm saying? You see me, we'll find, you know, anyway, the 7 catch them now, bleed in the dog. You see me, and say, I can do and say, we not play a blood clock kids game, yeah. Yeah, man, Kratos, I said some serious warning and some serious this to the 6. And I'm saying, let me know if you was talking about anyone specific and I missed it. So let me know in the comment section. But yeah, Kratos doing this thing, real dope track. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm interested to hear more from him. So let me know what you want me to react to next. Yeah, and my Trini bad people have stand up. My jam rock people have stand up. You don't know. Everybody from the Caribbean, y'all stand up, man. Shout out to y'all. Thank you for the love and support. We're going strong over here, and we ain't stopping. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man, gang. So let me know, guys, what y'all think in the comment section. If you liked it, go show the artist some love and support. Drop your let me know what your favorite part was. Let me know it's at Jambisco done send you. You don't know what time it is. Also, gang, make sure you go hit the link in the description to the Discord server. Join the Discord. We live over there, gang. We're chopping it up. You know what I'm saying? You can send in requests, videos, send in videos for me to react to. Talk to me directly. Video idea, content ideas. We be chopping it up over there about any and all content. You know what I'm saying? So just start to Discord, survive. It's link in the description. It's totally free. You won't have to pay anything. Over there, you can send me videos directly. Whatever video I'm reacting, you can send it to me. You can request a video. Get early previews. There's per lots over there, man. So make sure you join Discord. We live over there, gang. You already know what time it is. It's a boy Jambisco. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys. I'm out.